Hi dear students, welcome to this is Shankar Reddy, Senior Faculty of Mathematical Engineering. మనం గత వీడియోలో మనం గ్రూప్ 1 కు సంబంధించి డేటా ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ అండ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వింగ్ మన పేపర్ 5 లో 50 మార్కులకు ఉంటుంది. 5 పేపర్ 5 లో మనం దానికి సంబంధించి మనం వీడియో చేసుకుంటున్నాం. గ్రూప్ 1 పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ, మెయిన్స్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ. సో ఈ యొక్క డేటా ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ నుంచి మనకి 20 మార్కులు మనం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, అంటే వస్తాయి కూడా. మరి data interpretation, what is meant by data interpretation? Interpretation means nothing but drawing conclusions from the suitable figures by using parameters, ratios, percentages and averages. Okay, ఇక్కడ తెలుగులో దీన్ని దత్తాంశ అన్వయం అంటాం. నిష్పత్తులు, శాతములు, సగటులను ఉపయోగించి ఇచ్చిన బొమ్మల రూపంలో ఇవ్వబడిన దత్తాంశాల నుండి సరైన నిర్ణయాలు రాబట్టడం దీని యొక్క ప్రధాన ఉద్దేశం. సో కొన్ని బేసిక్స్ మీద కనుక పూర్తిగా పట్టుకుంటే, ఆల్రెడీ మనం బేసిక్స్ బాగా ఇన్ డీటెయిల్డ్ గా మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం కాబట్టి, ఎందుకంటే 20 years నుంచి ఇదే ఫీల్డ్ లో ఉంది. 2008 నుంచి డేటా ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ అంటే గ్రూప్ 1, డేటా అంటేనే శంకర్ రెడ్డి, అది మీకు తెలుసు, అందరికి తెలుసు. సో ఇన్ని బ్యాచ్లు చెప్పిన అనుభవంతో ఏ బేసిక్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కి కావాలి అనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఆల్రెడీ మనకు ముందే మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం. వాటిని బేస్ చేసుకొని 1 by 1 మనం క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేయడానికి మనం ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. ఓకే, దాంట్లో భాగంగా మొదటి క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? ఇక్కడ 5 పాఠశాలలోని విద్యార్థులు ఒక పరీక్షలో సాధించిన మార్కుల వివరాలు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. ద మార్క్స్ అబ్టైన్డ్ బై ద స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇన్ అన్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ వాటి ఇన్ 5 schools. సరే, ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూస్తే మనకి ఏ పాఠశాల ఎక్కువ సంఖ్యలో విద్యార్థులను కలిగి ఉంది? విచ్ స్కూల్ హ్యాస్ వాట్ ద హైయెస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ పాపులేషన్? హైయెస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ పాపులేషన్ అంటే కొద్దిగా జాగ్రత్తగా క్లియర్ గా ఇక్కడ చూడండి, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వద్దు. చాలా మంది 80% ఆఫ్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ మొత్తం కలిపేస్తారు. కానీ ఇచ్చిన డేటా ఏంటనేది ఫస్ట్ మనం కొద్దిగా ఓపికతోటి మనం ఇక్కడ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏమిచ్చారు? నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ స్కోరింగ్ బిలో 60%, అంటే 60% లోపు మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ లెస్ దాన్, దిస్ నథింగ్ బట్ వాట్ లెస్ దాన్ 60% అంటున్నాడు. లెస్ దాన్ వాట్ 60%, లెస్ దాన్ 60%, అంటే 60% లోపు మార్కులు పొందిన వాళ్ళు ఏ పాఠశాలలో 220, బి పాఠశాలలో 220, తర్వాత సి పాఠశాలలో 300, తర్వాత డిలో 250, ఈలో 240. అలానే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ స్కోరింగ్ లెస్ దాన్ 80%. లెస్ దాన్ 80% అంటే 80% లోపు మార్కులు పొందిన వారు. ఇదేంటి ఇక్కడ? 80% లోపు మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు అన్నారు. తర్వాత లాస్ట్ థర్డ్ కాలంలో మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చారు చూడండి, 80% పైన మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు మోర్ దాన్ 80% అంటున్నారు. మోర్ దాన్ 80% అంటే 80% పైన మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థుల గురించి ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. అయితే మనకి ఇప్పుడు కావాల్సింది ఏంటి? మొత్తం విద్యార్థుల సంఖ్య కావాలి, అంతేగాని ఇవన్నీ పూర్తి కాదు కదా. ఇప్పుడు 80% లోపు అంటే ఇంటర్నల్ గా ఒకటి గమనించాలి. 80% లోపు మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులలో 70% లోపు మార్కులు పొందిన వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు, 60% లోపు మార్కులు పొందిన వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు, 40% లోపు మార్కులు పొందిన వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు, 30% లోపు మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు కూడా ఉంటారు. 80% బిలో మీన్స్ ద స్టూడెంట్ హూ గాట్ వాట్ 70%, 60%, 50%, 45%, 35% marks also what included in that. So whatever this, for example, a school has what how many students are there who got what less than 60%, 220. What percentage of what the number of students who got what less than 80% is what 230. That means this 220 is also what internal part of 230. So therefore internally, indirectly, it is nothing but the gap between these two is nothing but 220 and 230 is nothing but what is the difference between here? Only what 10. Who are that? The marks scored between 60 to 80%. 60 to 80%. 60 to 80%. The number of students who scored between 60 to 80% in school A is nothing but only 10. So in school B it is nothing but 40. Who are that? The 60% పైన మరియు 80% లోపు మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు బి పాఠశాలలో 40 మందిని, అదే సి పాఠశాలలో 80 మందిని, తర్వాత దిస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 20, దిస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 8. These are the students who obtained the marks From what 60% to what 80%. Okay, now the question is what? ఏ పాఠశాలలో ఎక్కువ సంఖ్యలో విద్యార్థులు కలిగి ఉన్నారు? Which school has the highest student population? So that means total means how to what calculate the total is nothing but what? How to get the total number of students as per the data here. The total number of students equal to less than 80% plus who obtained more than 80%. By combined together, then only we will get what a total strength of the what is school. 80% లోపు మరియు 80% పైన మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులను కలిపితే వచ్చేది తరగతిలోని అంటే ఆ పాఠశాలలోని మొత్తం విద్యార్థుల సంఖ్యను తెలుస్తుంది. సో మనకి ఆ డేటా అక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి మీరు రాయాలి. జస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ who got what less than 80% plus what who got what more than 80%. That is nothing but what the percentage students who got what less than what 80% is how much here in terms of what A, that is nothing but 230 plus what 40. That is nothing but what 270. Yes, Pathashala B. In case of B, yeah, less than 80% is 260, more than 80% is 55. That is 260 plus what 55. How much this? This is nothing but what 315. And the Pathashala, that is school C is what 380 plus what 20. That is nothing but what 400. And then school D is that is 300 plus what 35. That is nothing but 335. And next is what here 320 plus what here 10. That will be nothing but what 330. Okay. Now what is the question there? ఏ పాఠశాల ఎక్కువ సంఖ్యలో విద్యార్థులను కలిగి ఉందంటే ఏం చెప్తాం మనం? Which school has the what highest student population means now we take it total, that is answer is what nothing but what 400. So it is better to write the conclusion at the end. So therefore the school C has the what highest population, that is enough, that is 400. C అనే పాఠశాలలో ఎక్కువ సంఖ్యలో విద్యార్థులు కలిగి ఉన్నారు, వారి మొత్తం ఎంత 400 అని కంక్లూజన్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Which school has the highest percentage of students scoring more than 80%, more than 60%? 60% కంటే ఎక్కువ మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు ఏ పాఠశాలలో ఎక్కువ శాతం ఉన్నారు? 60% పైన మార్కులు పొందిన వాళ్ళు కావాలి. మరి 60% పైన మార్కులు పొందిన వాళ్ళంటే 60% లోపు మనకి ఇచ్చారు. The first what is the second column represents what is the percentage of students, the number of students who score less than 60%. Suppose in school A, 220 members are there out of what 270. The question is 60% కంటే ఎక్కువ మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు ఏ పాఠశాలలో ఎక్కువగా ఉంటారు? How to define this? So the number of students who got number of students who got more than 60%, more than 60%, that is equal to total number of students minus what, that is number of students who less than what is 60%, number of students who got less than 60%. This is the definition. Yes, this is the definition. Okay, so number of students who got what more than what is 60% means it is number of students who got more than what is 60%, that is total number of students minus number of students who got what here less than 60%. That is the definition. So now come to the what question. Already we draw that what total number of students in the previous question. So as per this, now come to what A equal to A. The total number of students is what 270 minus number of students who got less than 60%. Less than 60% is what 220. That is nothing but what 50 are there. But the question is, which school has the highest percentage of students scoring more than 60%? So therefore, this is nothing but what here. In a school year, particularly 50 students who got what more than 60%. Now we have to convert into what a percentage. Therefore, percentage equal to the students who got what more than 50% in school A divided by what? A total number of students into what? 100. So, no problem. Calculators are what? Allowed. No problem here. Simply what we have to do here, 0, 0 get cancelled simply. So, 5 will go in here. That is nothing but 5 by 27. 5 5 is what here? Nothing but 5.4. That is nothing but 5 ones are 5 5 is 25. 5.44. 100 by 5. 100 by 5 means simply it is nothing but what here? 20%. 5.4 means what? It is nothing but below 20%. This is nothing but below 20%. Okay. So, and then what I come to what B school. B school. What is the total strength of the school? What is the total strength of the school is what it be? 350. Out of this, the number of students who got less than 60% is what here? 220. Because that is nothing but the question is what percentage of the students in which school the students who got what more than 60% is the highest. Okay. In school B, the total strength is 315. Less than 60% is 220. 220. Now B is, that is nothing but 315 minus what here? 220. That is nothing but what here? 80 plus 95. 95. So this is nothing but what here? What we required here? More than 60%. More than 60% we have to deduct it what? Less than 60%. So therefore the percentage equal to nothing but 95 divided by total strength 315 into what? 100. Into 100. So 5 19s, 560, 5 3s. 19 by what is 63. But 19 will go in 63 body approximately 3 times. 19 3 is about 57. But 64 is there. It will be nothing but what here? Some, of course it is 425 is 4 16s. So therefore it is nothing but 19 into 25 is divided by what is 16. So of course we have a what a calculators. That is nothing but simply what we have to do means it is nothing but 19 into 25. 19 into 25 divided by 16. So here it is by 25 means 100 by what is 4. 100 by 4. Okay, 64 same. 100 into 95 divided by 16. 19 5 is what is 95. 19 2 is 38 plus 9 is 47. 47 divided by 16, that is nothing but near about 63 is what here? 48. So near about what is 30%. 30%. This value is near about what is 30%. 30%. Now come to what is same, that is school C. Yeah, there is no choice, only what we have to find which school has the what highest percentage of the students. Now come to what is school C. Yes, school C has the total strength is nothing but what? 400. And see, below less than 60% who got what? How many students are there? 300. 400 minus what? 300. That is nothing but 100. So therefore the percentage is equal to 100 divided by 400 into what? 100. That will be nothing but, yeah, 2 zeros do get cancelled. 1 by 4 means what? 25%. Yes. And then next is what is school D. School D. Its total strength is nothing but 300 plus what? 35. That is what here? 335. 335 minus what? 28. 335 minus what? 28. So that is nothing but what? 335. That is 55. So therefore 55. So therefore the percentage is equal to 55 divided by total strength is what? 335. 335 into what? 100. That is every figure has followed by what? 5 question. No, don't worry. At least what here? Every question has what? 10 minutes. Yeah, 5 questions means what? Each one has what? 2 minutes. No problem here with the what time. We can do what within a time. Don't worry about that what a time sense. Okay. Generally 50 will go in what? 330. That will be 60. 55 into what? Nothing but 55 will go generally how many times here? 6 times. 100 by 6 means what here? Nothing but what is 16 2 by 3%, that is 16.67%. This is about D. Now come to what is school E is there. What is school E? Now come to E. Now school E. The total strength is what here? 330. Less than 60% is 240. That is nothing but what is 90. The difference is what is 90. So therefore the percentage equal to 90 divided by what is 330 into what is 100 into 100. Okay, of course it is 33 30 tens. 33 is what is 90, 33 tens what is 330. So 3 by 10, that is nothing but what is 30%. 30%. The question is what? The question is, what school, which school has the highest percentage of students scoring more than what is 60%? Now come to what is school A, it is 20%. School B is nothing but. So this is what 48 means, this is a less than. This is less than what here? 63 is 16 3 is what is 48. But here 47.5 is there. 47. 475 is there. So therefore it is nothing but what is less than. Less than what here? Nothing but what is 30%. This is nothing but less than 30%. Less than 30%. Okay, now. And school C has what is 25%, school D has what is 16.67, and school E has what is 30% exactly. So therefore answer is what here? Nothing but what is E. So therefore school E has what is highest percentage of students scoring more than what is 60%. That is enough. So had to. Yeah, one thing you have to require here. Simplifications are very, very important. So now you what you simplify that all the data, then only we can conclude the answer. So A, B, C, D, E. So how to get first number of students who got what more than 60% means? First, this definition is very important. The total number of students minus number of students who got what less than, that is what is 60%. So then only it is possible to what you get the what your correct answers. So next one, come to the what next question. Third one. Which school has the what lowest percentage of students scoring between 60 and what 80%? 60% నుండి 80% వరకు మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు ఏ పాఠశాలలో కనిష్ట శాతంలో ఉన్నారు? Now what we require here in between 60 to 80%. This is less than 60%. This is what? Less than 80%. What we require between that? Between that. Look. Now this table tests. This is what here more than 60%. This is less than 62 what? What we require 62%. 62 what 80%. This is less than 60%. This is what here less than 80%. What we require from 60 to what 80%. In between that, what is the difference between 220 and 230? That is nothing but 10. This is nothing but what is 40. This is nothing but 380. This is the difference is 20. This difference is what here nothing but 8. Okay. Now come to the question. Which school has the what here lowest percentage of students scoring between 60 and what 80%? Okay. Now it is nothing but the percentage means definition is the percentage equal to percentage. The percentage of student equal to who scored what year? Who scored between what 60 to 80% divided by total number of students? Who scored between 60%, 60 to what 80% divided by total strength, total into what 100. This is the definition. This is the what a definition. This is the definition. అంటే 60 నుండి 80% వరకు మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు డివైడెడ్ బై ఆ పాఠశాలలోని మొత్తం విద్యార్థులు ఇంటూ 100. Now come to what is school A. Whatever school A, between what is 60 to what is 80, there will be what only 10. 10 divided by 270. 10 divided by 270 into what is 100. What happened this? Yeah, 0 get cancelled. 100 by 27. Approximately 100 by 25 is nothing but 4 times. 100 by 27 means it is nothing but approximately. It is nothing but what? More than. That is nothing but what? 3 point some what? Some 8% approximately. Now come to what is B. How many students are there? Between 60 to 80% from school B is 40. 40 divided by total strength is what here? 260 plus 55, 350 into what 100. Now you simplify this, the data. 5 8s, 5 60s, 5 6s are 5 3s are. 8 1s are 8 8s are. Approximately. Here. But of course we have a calculator, so we can go through what he calculates also. 1 by 8 means it is the nearest percentage what is 16.67%. And C is school C has. That is nothing but 80. 80 divided by what is 400 into what is 100. So therefore 8 will go in this, 80 will go in this how many times? 5 times. 1 by 5 is nothing but what here? Nothing but 20%. 20%. No. This is school C has what 80. Okay, school D is nothing but between what is 60 to 80%, only 20 are there. 20 divided by 335. 20 divided by 335 into what 100. Okay. So, yeah, 20 will go in this. 5 4s are 5 6, 5 7s. Yeah, 14 will go in this. How many times means? Nothing but 17 times. 1 by 17 means it is nothing but near about what is 6%. 76 are what is 1 or 2. This approximate value is what is 6%. And school E has 80 is there. 80 divided by total strength is what is 330 into what is 100. Okay, of course 0 0 is there. 8 will go in this approximately 4 times. Yeah, 1 by 4 means it is nothing but what is 25%. But the question is what? 60% నుండి 80% వరకు మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు ఏ పాఠశాలలో కనిష్ట శాతంలో ఉన్నారు? శాతాలు గమనించండి. 25%, 6.20, 16.67 and వాటి 3.8. సో therefore ఏ పాఠశాలలో కనిష్ట స్థానంలో ఉన్నారు చూడండి. Which school has what least percentage? Which school has the what lowest percentage of students scoring between 60 and 80 means that is nothing but school has school A. Therefore school A has lowest percent. That is the way. Okay, next question. Okay, next one. If 10% of the students in school in C scored between 70 and 80%, what is the percentage of students scoring below 70%? C అనే పాఠశాలలో 10% మంది విద్యార్థులు 70% మరియు 80% మధ్య మార్కులు పొందిన 70% లోపు మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు ఎంత శాతం ఉంటారు అంటున్నారు. ఒకటైతే గమనించండి, పర్టికులర్ గా సి అనే పాఠశాల. If 10% of the students in C, in school C, students in C scored in C, this is what in C, scored between 70% and 80%. 10% of the students in C scored between 70% and 80%. What is the percentage of students scoring below 70%? Okay. Of course, C has what a total strength is what? Now, C has, this is school C, it has what a 400 students. 400 students. Okay. Below 60% is, below 60%. Below 60% means school has what a 300. Year to year what a 300. 300. Again what a more than 80% is nothing but, this is what 80. More than 80% what a 20. So year to year it is nothing but what year? 300 plus 20. 320. The rest of the students is what 80. These are what here? Who got what here from 62% to what is 70%? But the question is, 10% of the students in school scored between 70 to 80%. This is what is 70. 70 to 80%, 10%. 10% means out of the total. What is the total strength of the school C is 400. Yes, that is nothing but what a 380 plus what a 20. That is nothing but 400. 1% equal to 0, that will be what a 40. So therefore that is what a 40. 40. So the number of students who scored 70 to 80% is 40. Okay. Now the question is, what if that number of students who scored what is less than 70%? Here out of what 80 is there, this 40, this will be also what is 40. Yes. So 40 plus 300 is what is 340. 340. That means what? సి అనే పాఠశాలలో 10% మంది విద్యార్థులు 70 మరి 80% మధ్య మార్కులు పొందిన 10% అంటే ఎంతమ్మా 410% 40. వీళ్ళు ఉన్నది ఎంత 60 నుంచి 80 వరకు 80 మంది. వీళ్ళు 40 మంది పోతే ఇక్కడ ఎంత మంది ఉంటారు 60 to 70 ఎంత వస్తుంటారు ఇక్కడ 40 ఉంటారు. అప్పుడు 70% లోపు ఎంత ఉంటారు 300 plus 40 ఎంత అవుతారు ఇక్కడ 340 అని. అయితే వాడు అడిగింది ఏంటి చూడండి ఇక్కడ 70% లోపు మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు ఎంత శాతం ఉంటారు అంటున్నారు. సో మరి ఎవరితో కంపేర్ చేస్తాం టోటల్ స్ట్రెంత్ తోటి కంపేర్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి therefore the percentage of students equal to that is nothing but what here who got less than 70% divided by total into what 100. అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏంటంటే 70% లోపు మార్కులు పొందిన వాళ్ళు ఎంతమంది వస్తారమ్మా 340 divided by what 400 equal to what into what 100. So therefore 2 zeros will get cancelled. 4 will go in this how many times? 4 8s are what here? 32, 4 5s. So that is nothing but what is 85%. Answer is what 85%. So therefore below what is 70%. The question is what? Nothing but what percentage of students scoring below 70% means that is nothing but 85%. Okay, next one. Okay, what percent of students scored more than 80% in all the what is schools taken together? అన్ని పాఠశాలలోని మొత్తం విద్యార్థులలో 80% కంటే ఎక్కువ మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు ఎంత శాతం ఉంటారు అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎవరితో కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నాడు వాట్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ స్కోర్డ్ మోర్ దాన్ 80% ఇన్ ఆల్ స్కూల్స్ టేకన్ టుగెదర్ అంటే అన్ని పాఠశాలల్లోని మొత్తం విద్యార్థులలో 80% కంటే ఎక్కువ మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు ఎంత శాతం ఉంటారు. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వాట్ we have to find here? First we have to find the total strength of each and every school. So already we find that school A has what a total strength is 270. School B is nothing but what 315. School C has what a 400. And school D has what a total strength is 335. And school E has what a 330. The total strength is nothing but grand total. So here 5, 5, 10, 4, 7, 8, 15, 4, 3, 7, 11, 14, 16, 16, 15. This is the grand total. What is the grand total of what year? What is the total strength of what year? Number of students scoring more than 80%. మనం అడిగింది అది. అన్ని పాఠశాలలోని మొత్తం విద్యార్థుల సంఖ్యతో పోలిస్తే 80% పైన మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు ఎంత శాతం ఉంటారు అంటారు. 80% పైన మార్కులు పొందిన వాళ్ళు వీళ్ళే కదా. సో therefore it is 10, 2, 5, 7, 12, 16 and that is nothing but what 160. So therefore now అన్ని పాఠశాలలోని మొత్తం విద్యార్థులలో 80% కంటే ఎక్కువ మార్కులు పొందిన విద్యార్థులు ఎంత శాతం ఉంటారు అని అంటే సో therefore that is percentage equal the 160 divided by what is 1650 into what is 100. So therefore it is 0 get cancelled here. And one more is what is 16 by 165 is there. Generally 16 just here calculators are allowed. There is no problem here. We can get it what exact answer. But through calculation, suppose if it is what is 15, 5 3s are 5 3s are 5 3s are 3 will go in this what 11 times 1 by 11 is nothing but what here 9 1 by 11%. 9 1 by 11% approximate. Or otherwise you can use that what calculators. Yes, this is about what first question. So each and every diagram is follows what 5 questions. Each one carries 2 marks each. So therefore, to what you answer the question, first we have to develop that what basics. So this type of basic already we covered. So what we require the basics all will be covered. So therefore no problem. But practice must and should be required. Okay.